Right here, I have a nice athletic look sweatshirt here, guys. This is 96% polyester and a 4% spandex, keeping you nice and comfortable all day long. It's got a 4-way stretch and it's a nice minimalist design. What's up, guys? My name is TJ, and today I'm going to be going over this crew neck and everything that I love about it. I ended up getting the size medium. I'm 5'11", 150 pounds, and it fits me great. Now, as you can see here, this has a ton of mobility. So you could be wearing something like this, whether you're working out, you're running errands, just hanging out at home. It's just a nice minimalist look. You can even layer this up. This size fits me perfectly. It has a nice fit to it, a nice athletic look. It's nothing that's super baggy, it's just nice and fitted. I can wear this with a coat, a jacket, a vest very easily. I'm gonna be able to layer up or down. Lightweight, breathable, but it's also gonna keep you warm on a nice fall, spring night, spring day. You're gonna have a little bit of chilly weather coming in. This is something that I'm gonna be throwing on just to be going outside, hanging out with friends, going to parties, date night. It looks really, really nice. Now let's take a closer look. Now up top, guys, we have a really nice ribbed collar and it's super fitted. Really, really fitted design going all the way throughout, and I love that. Shows the neck very well, and I love when stuff is just fitted really nice because it just makes it look way more premium. Now check out this fabric, guys. We have a nice 4-way stretch and it just looks really nice, sleek. I love the color. This does come in other colors like white and red, and this is going to be the black model. We get a rib design on the sleeves here, so that's going to keep those sleeves from riding over the wrist and making it look like it's too big. Although it is fitted perfectly, you can pull these up to your elbows, just wear them on your forearms, and it looks really good. So if you do get a little bit warm in the sweatshirt, you can pull that up and it's going to look really nice and also cool you off. Now on the hem here, we are going to have a ribbed design on the bottom as well, so that's going to be airtight as well. It's not going to let cold air in, and then when you are doing any kind of sports or activity, it's going to stay with you all day. It's not going to be flapping around. It's just going to be a nice fitted look. Really nice. I love this sweatshirt. It's very comfortable and it's something that I like to wear on the daily. I have a couple different colors of these already, and they're definitely some of my favorite sweatshirts to wear. I highly recommend this sweatshirt. Go and check out all the other colors they have to offer. Thanks for watching. Add this to your Amazon cart, and I'll see you guys in the next video.